It's your boy Dwayne Howell back at it again with another video, another vlog, another tutorial, another experiment. So for today's video guys, gagawa tayo ng OR gate using breadboard. So let's get it! So this is our equipment and materials. 5 volts DC power supply. '74 LS32. One piece 5mm red LED. And 1/2 watts 220 ohms resistor. 3 pieces of SPDT switch. Jumper wires. And breadboard. Let's start mga buddy. Kabit muna natin tong IC natin sa gitna. Make sure na maayos pagkakabit nyo kasi baka masira siya. So yan, nakabit na natin. So base sa schematic diagram natin, si third pin ng IC or si OR gate is connected dun si LED. So connect natin si LED. Yan. Next is, after ni LED, connected si resistor. So sa negative side ni LED, i-connect natin doon si resistor. Then yung kabilang paa niya, kay ground naka-connect. Since connected siya kay ground, base sa schematic diagram. So maglalagay tayo ng jumper wire. And then, kakabit natin kay negative or ground. So yan, nakabit na natin. Next natin is switch. So kakabit natin si switch A and B. So ito. Yan. So dito na lang siguro. Yan. Then leave space para hindi magulo yung pagkakakabit nyo. Yan. So base sa schematic diagram natin, si middle pin ni switch is connected kay number 1. So yung first switch natin, yung middle pin nya, connected siya kay number 1. So kabit natin si jumper wires. So yan. So ganun din kay second switch. We will put jumper wire. So this time sa second pin naman ni IC. So yan. Bali connected na sila. So next, the first pin of the switch is connected to the positive base sa schematic diagram. So first pin connected in positive. Yan. So same din kay switch B. So yan, connected na. Next is the last pin or the third pin of our switch is connected to the ground. So, kakabit natin siya. Third pin na yan. Third pin. Kabit muna natin yung isa pa. So, yan. So, kakabit natin siya kay ground. So, yan. Nakakabit na siya. Si UNC. So next is si number 14 daw ng number 14 pin ni IC is connected to the positive side. So ito yung number 14. Yan. Is connected to the positive side. So yan. So bali that's the last step of our feed figure A. So try natin paganahin, saksak natin. So yan, umilaw siya. So based sa truth table, pag both input is 0, 0 din si output. So let's try change the input A, change natin to 1. So yan, output natin is 1. So pag si B naman, change natin to 1 and 0 si A, still our output is 1. Gets? And then let's try to change both of our input to 1, 1, 1, and our output is 1. So yun si figure A natin kay OR gate. So yan. So let's proceed in figure B. So based sa schematic diagram, may mga pagbabagong nangyayari. So let's remove our components. So this component will remain. So based sa schematic diagram, pin 3 and 4 is connected. So let's connect. They're connected now. And pin number 6, the LED is connected. So we will put LED in pin number 6. On the negative side of LED, we will connect the resistor. So yan. And we will put ground in the side of resistor, jumper wire, and connect it to the ground. And so we will add the third switch in our circuit. So let's put it here. So same procedure in other switches. So the middle pin of the switch, we will connect it to pin number 5 of the IC. And the first pin is connected to positive side. And the third pin, or probably the last pin, is connected to the ground. So this is our last step in our circuit or figure B. So yan, we are done. So let's try. So gumana siya. So based tayo sa truth table. So if our inputs is 0, our output is 0. So let's try our input A. Let's change it to 1. So our output is 1. And let's try the B. Let's change it to 1. So our output is 1. And let's try A and B. Let's change it to 1. And our input C is 0. So our output is 1. So let's try our input C is 1. And other input is 0. So our output is 1. Let's try C and A is 1 and B is 0. So our output is still 1. And let's try Z and B. Input C and B is 1. And input A is 0. So our output is still 1. So let's try all of our input is 1. So our output is still 1. So that's our truth table in figure B or gate. So I hope you learned something today.